In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up messages in QuickBooks. We're focusing on the default email message that goes out with your sales forms, like invoices and estimates, so your communications look polished and consistent every time. Start in QuickBooks at the top right corner of your screen. Click the gear icon. From there, choose Account and Settings. This is where you control many company-wide preferences, and it's exactly where the email message settings live. Inside Account and Settings, look to the left-hand sidebar and select the Sales tab. This tab holds everything related to how your sales forms behave and appear. Scroll down until you see the section labeled Messages. Click Edit. That opens the area where you'll customize what your customers see when they receive an email from you. You'll notice several options. First, set up the greeting. This is the opening line of your email, and you can choose a style that fits your brand voice, such as using the customer's first name or company name. A friendly but professional greeting helps your message feel personal without extra manual typing each time. Next, choose the sales form you want to configure. You can tailor messages for different forms, like invoices, estimates, or sales receipts, so each one has the right tone and context. For example, estimates might emphasize next steps, while invoices can clearly highlight payment details. Now, edit the email subject line and the message body. Keep the subject short, clear, and informative so it stands out in your customer's inbox. In the message body, write a concise note that reinforces what the form is about and what the recipient should do next. If available, use the provided placeholders that automatically insert details like the customer name or form number, helping you stay accurate and save time. Maintain consistent branding, avoid emojis or overly casual language, and make sure the key information is easy to spot. When everything looks right, click Save. That's the crucial step that applies your changes going forward. If you switch to another sales form type in this same message section, repeat the same setup so each form gets its own tailored message, then save again. That's all there is to it. Gear icon, Account and Settings, Sales tab, Messages, Edit, customize your greeting, form, subject, and body, then save. With this setup, your emails will be clear, on brand, and consistent, helping customers understand exactly what they're receiving and what to do next. If you ever need to adjust the tone or update details, come back to the Messages section and refine as your business evolves.